It's been a fantastic week here in Barcelona.
And the event in cabin has been amazing.
It's great. It has grown a lot compared to the previous years. Everybody who matters is here. Yeah, very useful.
Seeing the people in person has been really exciting. There's so many developments in the automotive industry at the moment. And yesterday we got to experience Oktoberfest, so that was also a bonus.
We had some very good discussions again this year, so got a lot of nice leads, and well, it was a great event.